Well, the purpose of this project is to really understand the condition and trend in coral reefs throughout the coral sea. We know coral reefs globally are seriously in danger due to a combination of different things like climate change. And so we need to understand what's going on in a range of different locations. And this place is very unique in the sense that it's relatively far removed from a lot of the sort of anthropogenic pressures. And we want to see how places like this are faring with changing environmental conditions.
Without research, you're basically blind. You don't really know what's out here unless there's people out here actually in the water telling you what's here and how much of it and what species and how it's all put together and how it all functions. And over time, research can tell you how things are changing.
We're surveying at two depths, on the reef slope and the reef crest, basically running out 50-metre transects, recording the benthic community, so what's on the bottom, and also the fish community.
So on this cruise in the Coral Sea, we've been collecting tissue samples from coral trout. We use a spear gun with a small biopsy probe on the end of it. So we shoot that at the coral trout and it goes into the side of the fish and takes a very small piece of flesh from the fish itself, and the coral trout will swim off and we're left with this bit of tissue that we use to do DNA analysis on.
The Coral Sea differs from the Great Barrier Reef because it's an oceanic environment and there's a lot of species that only prefer oceanic waters or oceanic reefs, whereas on the Great Barrier Reef you have a lot of influences from the continent, such as runoff and poor visibility and nutrients, and so the fishes out here like a different set of conditions.
What I hope to see is that the health of the reef out here improves, and that these reefs out here, which are very removed from human impacts but also very delicate and fragile because they're so isolated, I hope that they continue to persist in spite of all the pressure we're putting on them.